huh?
Yeah, some tips for Coop, I guess. I don't know how much of those Coop will use, but it's good for bands, so it's fun.
Yeah, I'm excited to be back. First round for me, 6 rounds left, better late than never, but excited to be here. Weather's good this time. Track looks awesome, looks cool, looks flowy, and ready for a good night. See if we can get a good start, put ourselves in a good spot, and let it play out.
It's been going good. Normally I do 250 West, 11th in points in that, so having a good year going on the west side of things and on the 250 side of things. But yeah, it's a 5-hour drive. I'm based in Tallahassee, Florida. So yeah, just Wednesday made the decision to come up here and do some 450 racing. Biggest difference is tracks, right? I mean, 450B practice is gnarly, right? Those guys don't get the credit they deserve. The track is absolutely hammered. And then on the bike side of things, just the power, right? I mean, 450, you can look at the throttle and you're either going 10 feet long or 5 feet short. So we're adjusting to that, getting better and better every time we're out. And yeah, just trying to stay loose, and main focus 250 West, so getting ready for Seattle next weekend.
I feel like the dirt's similar, just not as wet. Like last year was crazy, so it's holding up good, and it's actually drying out, so it's pretty nice so far. It's always nice to come to Birmingham because this was actually my first main event last year, so it's good vibes coming into the day.
Yeah, not too bad. First 2 practices done. I think I was 17th in both of them, so just need to keep that up for the 3rd one, and we'll be in the main events. It feels a lot like Salt Lake, like the way the layout was kind of made. Even the dirt feels like Salt Lake, so kind of gives me Salt Lake vibes, and normally I do pretty well there, so nice.
Feel good. Have a first, 2 practices, a little muddy. First practice was good. Got P2, and right now we're just done with the second qualifying. It's a little hard pack there, but just try to make sure I'm feeling good on the track, and yeah, we're ready to the main event.
Yeah, all in all for us, just looking for some consistent starts, right? It's no secret, that's what we've struggled with. No lack of effort and testing there, so there's something that goes back to the setup changes and all the things that we've had to implement as a race team to try to get him the equipment to be up to par, but also to finish the main event, right?
Yeah, pretty good. Track's starting to dry out a little bit on us, but so far so good. I think I ended up 7th in qualifying, so it's all right. It's good for Triple Crown. I got 7th pick going in the main, and yeah, it's a Triple Crown first for us on the East Coast, and I think the last year for the 450 guys. And yeah, I feel good. I feel happy. I like the Triple Crown format. For me, I like more racing, more gate drops. It's just going to try to put together 3 good starts, and I've been really working on my starts this past week. So looking forward to hopefully seeing an improvement in the night show tonight.
Yeah, it's going good. I'm excited to be back racing after a little weekend off, and yeah, I feel a lot better. I was able to get some practice in this week, first time in about a month and a half on the bike besides on race day, so it was a big help, and yeah, we're showing it today. Yeah, qualified 4th in that one, and I felt like I had the speed to be on pole, so yeah, excited for tonight. It's going to take 3 good starts, and I think we'll have a shot to win.
Yeah, it's going good. Free practice I was first, and then qualifying 1 4th, qualifying 2 5th. So we're pretty good. I feel like I can do those laps all night, so that's what I'm happy about. And I'm just gonna really put my focus onto a good start and see where tonight goes. You know, it's gonna be about consistency, and I'm really gonna try to do that tonight and see what happens. So I'm excited. The fans are good here in Birmingham, and it's good to be back.
Yeah, first race back in a long time, so for sure the jitters, nerves going on, but hey, I'm having fun with it. Qualifying, not the greatest time. I think I'm sitting 14th right now, so yeah. I mean, I wish I wanted to be closer, but it is what it is. We're having fun. It's good to be back and then slowly build. So yeah, I know the pace is super high. There's a lot of guys that can win, and I'm teammates with obviously the points leader. So I know what it's going to take to be up there. I mean, I want to be in the top 10, so if we can do that by the end of the night, I'll be happy. Another practice to go, and then race time.
Yeah, Birmingham. Doing good. Qualified P2 in the first one, so track's fun. Outdoor stadium, it's been a while, so weather's nice today. We'll see how it is tonight. Yeah, warm day, so enjoying it so far. Got one more to go, and yeah, feeling good out there.
Yeah, weekend off was good, man. A little recharge for the battery. Just chilled in Tallahassee and spent time with the wife and kids. So feeling good. We're in Birmingham, local-ish race. Triple Crown, the last one of the year. So looking forward to it. Feeling good. Yeah, it's good to kind of come somewhere where we don't race a lot. This is only our second time here, so keeps us on our toes.
Each race is like a main event. It's the first one in this Triple Crown here in Birmingham. Let's go! Down goes Hammaker. The track's a little wet and there's a traffic jam.
And as you talk about Nate Thrasher, out of everyone lined up here tonight in the 250 class, in the Triple Crown overalls, Nate Thrasher is one of those riders who have won the Triple Crown overall.
Behind the one of Tom Vial is Nate Thrasher, continuing to run well. And there's another Yamaha rider, different team though. This is the Club MX FXR Markov rider in Max Volan.
Kind of got thrown into the wolves, had some injuries, but now he's been able to get his feet back underneath him. He's put in some great rides.
Yeah, I just fell over. I got knocked down.
Yeah, I've seen it.
Unlucky, man.
Yeah, no, is anything off?
No. Pisses me off.
Good. Ready to go. First 450 race of this Triple Crown evening here in Birmingham. Oh! Went down, back up again. Lost a little bit of ground. That was a quick recovery. Nice work. Cooper Webb's got himself into the top 10, gets past the beta teammates of Mitchell Oldenburg and Benny Bloss.
Rarely do you see him make mistakes like that. He isn't gonna take that lightly, and he'll use it as motivation going on, and he has to at this point.
Race 2 of the 250 East Division. Triple Crown night in Alabama. Drop the gate.
Where he is.
Oh, Thrasher. Little bit of contact there, not much. Just trying to unsettle Carson Mumford, but he's hanging tough. Nate Thrasher, through his consistency and patience, as JT said, sits second ahead of Vial. Points as they run.
Water, get the stuff in. Are you having a nap on the gate or what?
I don't know what's going on. Still need to work.
Reaction wasn't there.
Need to work more starts.
And Cooper Webb looking to keep it upright, get a great start, and get some points back, because Webb is 7th going into this second of 3 races on a Triple Crown night in Alabama. Barging his way through on Anderson. Webb's lining up for a shot as well. Anderson, oh, and Anderson's down again! So here is Webb. The championship leader has now got Plessinger in his sights, and certainly with 3.5 minutes to go, well within reach.
Broadcast, otherwise distributed or used in any form.
I clawed the whole thing.
How's the track? Pretty good, pretty racy. Not too many ruts. Whoops are still pretty good. Like, they're way more rolled now.
That's what it looks like.
Yeah, you can skim them. The middle's got that little tiny V to it.
So you can just blah, 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 blah.
Kind of through the middle, yeah. I was staying away from the middle because I was trying to stay on top. I didn't want to be in the bottom.
Yeah, you're going to see the sports future right here and now. The 3rd round of the SMX Next Championship. Let's see if we can mix things up here in Alabama. SMX Next is now. Oh, down goes the race leader. Gibson's down. That hands the lead to Alex Alexander Fedotsov.
Gives them a taste of what they're going to be.
Fedotsov's down.
Oh no!
For the second time in this race, the leader has dropped it. But a 17-year-old Ryder Malinowski from Wyoming leads the way.
Oh no! Malinowski!
The third time in this race, the leader has thrown it away.
Got it, my friend.
Ready to go one last time here in Birmingham. The final 250 East race of this triple header. All Nate Thrasher has to do, easier said than done, is stay where he is at, and he would win the overall here tonight. On the podium, he said, I can go for the win. Well, Nate Thrasher, you're in a winning position now. 3:10 left on the clock. Courage of conviction. Thrasher said after race 2, I can still win this night. He has won the night.
That's right. Look at that emotion.
Yeah, it was sick. Yeah, finally felt like myself, more like myself, I would say. And yeah, I'm stoked. Rode, you know, pretty much perfect tonight besides the starts. My starts were pretty atrocious the first 2 main events, and just charged through, came for the pack. And honestly, I felt like I had the speed to, you know, if I got the whole shot every 3 mains, I felt like I had the speed to win all 3. It was just it was start dependent tonight, and yeah, executed when I needed to, and yeah, happy with it.
Yeah, brother. So proud of you.
Ready, set, go! And Cooper Webb, the championship leaders in pursuit. Oh, look at this! Webb's got Sexton for the lead! The series goes to Seattle next week, then the Northeastern swing. It's going to be a head-to-head fight. It's Yamaha versus KTM. It's 2 champions, Webb versus Sexton. Cooper Webb, to the cheers of the crowd. He won't get the overall, but he keeps the championship lead. Cooper Webb wins the 3rd and final race.
Yeah, tough night, a lot of mistakes. Especially the first flip just wasn't great. Had that fall early, so started behind the 8 ball. Obviously, winning the last one was great, but just a bummer. Felt good all night. Just didn't get put myself in good situations early. So yeah, excited for Seattle. We need some redemption.